Hello students, welcome to Study with Jaggi. Today we begin our journey with chapter 1 of your new NCERT English book Purvi, The Day River Spoke. This is your unit 1. So let's start. This is not just a story, beta. It's an experience. Imagine if rivers could talk. अगर वो बात कर सकते, what would they tell us? How would they feel about the way human treats them? कि हम लोग कैसे treat करते हैं rivers को? Let's find out in this beautiful lesson. So beta, the story personifies a river. That means the river is given human-like qualities. जैसे एक ह्यूमन होता है उसमें कुछ क्वालिटीज़ होती हैं अच्छी होती. So beta, in part 1 and I will explain in short. So listen it carefully. The story revolves around Janvi, a young girl who spends time near the river. ये बेटा जो स्टोरी है ये जानवी नाम की एक लड़की है, अ यंग गर्ल, जिसको नदी के किनारे नेचर को ऑब्जर्व करना अच्छा लगता है, द ब्यूटी ऑफ नेचर. शी वॉचेज अ किंगफिशर sweep down to catch a fish and a green lizard slither to the river's edge to bask in the sun. Suddenly, she hears a sleepy, murmuring voice which surprises her because she is sure she is alone. Looking around, she finds no one. So बेटा क्या होता है कि इस कहानी में जानवी नाम की एक लड़की है जो नदी के किनारे बैठकर नेचर की सुंदरता को निहार रही है. वह देखती है कि एक किंगफिशर नदी में मछली पकड़ने के लिए झपटता है और एक हरी छिपकली लिजर्ड धीरे धीरे नदी के किनारे धूप सेकने के लिए सरकती है. अचानक व्हाट हैपन्स देन, जानवी को एक धीमी आवाज़ सुनाई देती है. मीन्स मर्मरिंग वॉइस. शी हियर्स अ स्लीपी मर्मरिंग वॉइस, जिससे वह चौंक जाती है. शी गेट सरप्राइजेस, क्योंकि उसे लगता है कि वह अकेली है. वह चारों ओर देखती है लेकिन कोई नहीं दिखता. सी हियर बेटा, शी लुक्ड अराउंड, देयर वॉजंट अ सोल इनसाइड. वहाँ पे कोई भी नहीं था. शी वॉज रैदर स्कैर्ड एंड वॉन्टेड टू रन ऑफ. यू शुडंट क्राई, यू नो, द वॉइस वेंट ऑन, एंड यू रियली शुडंट बी स्कैर्ड. व्हेन यू हैव बीन कमिंग हियर to see me every day, well, almost every day. She was puzzled. It was such a voice, like the river. It couldn't be the river. So beta, now what happens in the story? The voice here belongs to river itself, which talks to Janvi. She shares her sadness with the river. She desperately wants to go to school, but her family keeps postponing it, asking her to take care of her younger sibling. She fears that she is now too old to start school. She longs to learn, to read, understand nature, and find answers to her many questions. The river encourages her and tells her that girls can do as much as boys. It advises her to simply go to school one morning and see what happens. बेटा क्या होता है कि फिर जो आवाज़ होती है वो रिवर की होती है. ठीक है. जानवी अपनी सारी बात, जो वट एवर शी फील सैड, उदासी, नदी को बताती है. ठीक है. वह स्कूल जाना चाहती है लेकिन उसकी माँ, जो उसकी मदर होती है, व्हाट हैपन्स, उसे मना कर देती है और छोटे भाई बहनों की देखभाल करने को कहती है. अब वह 10 साल की हो चुकी है. नाउ शी इज़ 10 years old. और उसे डर है कि अब उसे कभी स्कूल जाने को नहीं मिलेगा. उसे पढ़ना लिखना सीखना है और वह जानना है कि फूलों पर मकड़ियाँ पीली क्यों होती हैं, बांस के पेड़ सरसराते क्यों हैं और चावल के खेतों में छोटी मछलियाँ मेंढक क्यों बन जाती हैं. बेटा इट्स ऑल रिलेटेड टू डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स. सो व्हाट हैपन, जो रिवर होती है वो इनकरेज करती है उसको. ठीक है. टेल्स हर, उसको ये बताती है कि जो गर्ल्स हैं दे आर ऑल्सो good as boys. They can also do everything that boys can do. So what happens? She advises her to simply go to school one morning and see what happens. They won't let me go to school, said Janvi. I asked my mother, why can't I go to school like Ethan and Meena? And mother had replied, you are too small, baby, maybe later. But when she was 5, little Ramu was born, and mother still said, maybe next year. Janvi, mind your little brother while I go to the fields. तो बेटा जानवी अपने भाई बहनों का ख्याल रखने के लिए घर पर ही रहती थी. Little brother while I go to the fields. Now she was nearly 10. अब कितने साल की हो चुकी थी वो? 10. And minding little Appu who was the smallest. They don't want me. They only. She stopped with a so. अब वो रो भी रही है, सारी बात भी बता रही है नदी से. I am scared to go to school and I am so old now. They will never let me go. बेटा कई बार क्या होता है कि when we take leave for so many days और वी चेंज द स्कूल, व्हाट हैपन्स, हमें भी कहीं ना कहीं ये फीलिंग होती है कि हम कैसे फेस करेंगे स्कूल में, कितना सिलेबस हो गया होगा, नाउ व्हाट टू डू नेक्स्ट. सो ऐसे ही जो बच्चा ये स्कूल जाना चाहता है बट शी इज़ नॉट एबल टू गो टू स्कूल बिकॉज ऑफ हर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज विच हर मदर गेव हर. And I'm so old now, they will never let me go, but I want to go. I want to learn to read like Ethan and Meena. Janvi called her brother Ethan. Ethan means elder brother, but his real name was Gopi. I want to know what was the real name of Ethan? Gopi. I want to know why spiders are yellow in yellow flowers. Why bamboo trees rustle. Why the moon always comes from behind the hills. Never the other way. Why the baby fish in the field water become frogs? Why? So what happened? Stop, said the river. You make me breathless. So many whys. I can tell you where the moon goes. Beta, what the river says? It said, I will tell you. I know the secret. It goes down towards the sea. I have seen it. Always take the same way. Over the mountains and down to the sea like me. Beta, in this part 1, basically what happens in the end of the first part, the river encourages her and tells her that girls can do as much as boys. So it advises her to simply go to school one morning and see what happens. Okay? Beta, in second part, what we see is that Janvi is scared but determined also. The next day what happens? She sneaks into school and listens to the lesson. The teacher notices her and after learning that she is Gopi's sister, asks if she really wants to come to school. The teacher then visits Janvi's father and mother, convincing them to let her study. Her mother supports her, saying she regrets not having the opportunity to study when she was young. Filled with joy, Janvi tells the river about her success. She promises that when she grows up, she will become a teacher and encourage all the girls in her village to study. The river, happy for her, laughs and tells her to return so it can tell her more stories about the ships that sail the sea. The story highlights the importance of education for girls, courage and the power of determination. So बेटा what happened कि अगले दिन जो जानवी होती है वो डरते हुए हिम्मत अपनी जुटाकर, because the river has motivated her, ठीक है, to go to school. So वो स्कूल चली जाती है. वह पीछे बैठकर कक्षा में पढ़ाई, मतलब जो लेसन पढ़ा रही होती है टीचर, वो सुनती है. जो टीचर होता है उसे देख लेता है और उसे रहने की अनुमति देने की बात करता है कि ओके फाइन यू कैन स्टडी. जो टीचर होता है वो उसके फादर और मदर से बात करता है और माँ मान जाती है कि एंड व्हाट शी सेज, व्हाट डज द मदर से, दैट जब वह छोटी थी तब उसकी दादी ने उसे स्कूल जाने नहीं दिया था, लेकिन अब वह खुश है कि जानवी पढ़ेगी. जानवी खुशी से नदी को अपनी सफलता के बारे में बताती है. एंड देन शी रिटर्न्स टू द रिवर एंड टेल्स एवरीथिंग. एंड जब वह बड़ी होगी वो एक टीचर बनेगी और गांव की सभी लड़कियों को स्कूल बुलाएगी। यह कहानी बेटा हमें शिक्षा के महत्व, साहस और आत्मनिर्भरता का पाठ पढ़ाती है। सो दिस इज नॉट रियली अ बेटा only a story, but it is to motivate girl child to study that you are not less than boys, you are equivalent। जिन बच्चों को पहले मौका नहीं मिला उन बच्चों को आज इक्वलेंटली ही मौका मिल रहा है पढ़ने के लिए। ओके, एंड यू शुड फील प्राउड अबाउट इट दैट यू आर स्टडिंग इन अ वेरी गुड स्कूल्स and you are going to do your best in your life. Now see beta, can I do something? Asked Janvi. Well, it's up to you, said the river, where the river is motivating the child. Seems to me little girls can do as much as little boys. They swim as fast as little boys. You just slip along one morning and sit there in the school and listen to what's going on, and maybe the teacher will let you stay. I couldn't, gasped Janvi. I couldn't. They would scare me. They would chase me out. तो बेटा जो जानवी है, शी इज़ अफ्रेड, शी इज स्कैर्ड. सो द रिवर लाफ्ड. यू स्कैर्ड? तुम डर रही हो? द रिवर सेड. When you are not afraid of the green lizard or of the snake in the bamboo clump. Clump here means a small group of trees growing together. Janvi started, or the big trains rattling past that bridge. Trains are noisy. I prefer ships, said the river. Janvi never knew the snake lived in the bamboo clump. What are ships? She asked. बेटा उसको ये भी नहीं पता कि ships क्या होती हैं. Big boats, said the river. So big that they can take hundreds of people, and they sail along the sea with lights that shine all night. Janvi held her breath. Will they come here? She asked. I'm afraid not, said the river. Too large, you know. Chandu's catamaran is good enough for me. So what is it? It's a kind of boat. Is good enough for me. Chandu can take you to see a ship someday. They would never let me, wailed Janvi. So what does Janvi say? नहीं, वो मुझे नहीं लेके जाएंगे कभी. Try going to school first. पहले तुम स्कूल जाने की कोशिश करो, said the river. Remember, it's up to you. तुम याद रखना ये तुम पे ही डिपेंड करता है. Janvi gathered courage. The next day she reached the school, panting and out of breath, and stood by the door listening while the teacher read out the lesson. It was a story about a prince called Ashoka. तो बेटा वो जो टीचर है वो कौन सा लेसन पढ़ा रही होती है? It's about Prince Ashoka, who became a great king. Little Apu had fallen asleep on her shoulder. She crept nearer and nearer till she was in the back row, squatting with the others on the earthen floor. Little Apu made no noise and she listened. Where did you spring from, little girl? तो जो टीचर है वो देख लेता है. Asked the teacher. And what is your name? You are new in my class. क्या तुम नए बच्चे हो मेरी क्लास में? She is Gopi's sister. Gopi is in the next class, said one of the boys. It's Janvi, said another. So you are Gopi's little sister. Nice lad, Gopi. If you really want to come to my school, Janvi, the teacher had said, we will talk to your father about it. Don't you worry, we will find a way. Janvi saw the teacher walking up the steps to their gate the next evening. When she was lighting the lamp, she could see her father scratching his cheek the way he did when he was worried, and the teacher was nodding and saying something she couldn't make out. And mother said, Little Janvi, I shall miss you when you go to school. Girls should learn as much as they want. When I was your age, I wanted to go to school, but your grandmother said no. But now I am glad the teacher came to talk to your father. And Janvi said, Mother, when I grow up, I will be a teacher and I will go from house to house in our village and ask all the little girls to come to my school and I will teach them all that I am going to learn. And she went down the path between the fields the next morning before school began to meet the river. I did it, she told the river. She was so happy. I was scared. पहले मैं बहुत डरी हुई थी but I did it. फिर भी मैंने उसको आपकी बात मानकर मैंने स्कूल अटेंड किया उस दिन. And they are letting me go. और मेरे पेरेंट्स ने भी मुझे अलाउ कर दिया. I am going to learn to write my name and do sums and find out why our little fishes in the rice fields turn into frogs. She heard the river Sleepy chuckle, "Come again, little girl, and I will tell you all about the ships that sails the sea." So, beta, this is the story by Kamla Nair. It's an extract adapted from The Day the River Spoke.